Okay, so walk-in cooler repair. Not gonna say the business, you know, just to respect them. So first thing I notice is, come in, the walk-in cooler's at 60 degrees. Now, I noticed this was open when I came up here, so immediately checked to see if this electrical disconnect was pulled. It was not. So then upon that, I then checked my voltage. Sorry, a little difficult to do. Nothing. Dead. Now, when you come up on one and there's no voltage, odds are that compressor, more than likely, from my experience, that compressor is going to be shorted out. Now, we're going to pull this disconnect just to be safe, but I am going to check the leads now. I'm going to check the leads now on this compressor for continuity. Little spotty, really spotty, but it's there. Okay. Now you want to find a good ground post. Okay. So as far as I can tell, I'm on a decent ground. Now, also while checking continuity, compressor's bad. I got almost 15 amps with it off. So you should be looking about probably at most 1 amp with the compressor off is what we should, or 1 ohm, I'm sorry. 1 ohm. We're getting about 15, so we have a bad compressor. So there it is. Now, just furthering the video on the walk-in cooler, I have now reset the breaker. So I'm not sure how I can set y'all up where you can really see, so I'll just hold it. So we're gonna go ahead and test now to see 211 volts. So breaker's on. I currently have the compressor unplugged. Now we're going to take and plug this. Fans came on immediately. Now everything's running. Breaker's not tripping.